Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Christian Otagat for BE Ed 1, Section 5. Today, let's discuss about the Philippine President from Ramon Magsaysay to Bongbong Marcos Jr. So, Ramon Magsaysay from 1953 to 1957, known as President of the People, and his accomplishments are help farmers and the poor, fought against communist rebels such as ang Hukbalahap, and promoted honesty in government. And the last one is improved the lives of Filipino and the province. And the second one is Carlos P. Garcia from 1957 to 1961. And his accomplishments are promoted the Filipino First policy, gave priority to Filipino business. The second one is encourage people to buy local products. And the third one is practice government savings. And the third one is Diosdado Macapagal, 1961 to 1965. And his accomplishments are move Independence Day from July 4 to July 12. Help farmers through land reform. And lastly, open the economy to more trade. And the fourth one is Ferdinand Marcos Sr. And we all know Ferdinand Marcos Sr. kay mo siya ang papa sa atong pagong president ron. And Ferdinand Marcos Jr. from 1965 to 1986, and his accomplishments built many roads and bridges and hospitals. Declared martial law in 1972. And sa diri nga kuan kay daghang jud mga kanang ang buhat diri iyang papa para lang sa atong country. And the third one, accused of human rights violation and declared. So, si Ferdinand Marcos Sr. kaya siya ang sa tanang president siya ang nagdugay sa payang pwesto. The fourth one is Corazon Aquino from 1986 to 1992. We all know that Corazon Aquino is the first woman president, and ang iyang accomplishment kay she brought back democracy after Marcos made the 1987 Constitution. And lastly, she faced many corruption attempts but stayed strong. And the sixth one is Fidel B. Ramos from 1992 to 1998. His accomplishment is improve the economy, brought peace and rebels, Muslim groups and communists, solve electricity shortage, open the country for foreign businesses. And the seventh one is Joseph Erap Estrada from 1982 to 2001. And his accomplishments are focused on helping the poor and removed from the office due to corruption kay tungod daghan siya mga face nga issue tungod sa corruption. And the eighth one is Gloria Macapagal Arroyo from 2001 to 2010. And her accomplishment are improved the economy, built roads and infrastructure. And the ninth, Ikanoy B kay si Benigno Noynoy Aquino III from 2010 to 2016. And his accomplishment are fought corruption, or which we call the matuwid or straight path. And the second one is improve economy and international image. And lastly, started K-12 education system. So siya ang patukod sa K-12 nga education. And the 10th one is Rodrigo Roa Duterte from 2016 to 2022. We all know that Rodrigo Duterte known for the war on drugs, and his accomplishment built more roads, bridges, and airports, criticized for the human rights issues, gave aid to the poor, and expanded free education for colleges. And lastly, our present president is Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. from 2022 and this present. And We all know that Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos is the son of former President Marcos Jr., Senior, and his accomplishment is focused on unity, economy, and agriculture. And that's all. Thank you for listening, everyone.